This is question number 23 and problem 3.6.47. And what we have are two variables, an x and a y, and we are looking at calculating a covariance and a correlation coefficient between the two variables. So with this, very simple in Excel, I have the data already moved over. And to calculate the covariance, we just use the covariance function. And you'll see it here, covariance.s for sample. And so we just simply choose the first range of data for variable x, and then for array 2, we'll choose the data for variable y. That calculates the covariance. And just recall that covariance just really measures the direction of a linear relationship. It doesn't really, the figure itself doesn't really mean anything as far as strength of the relationship. And so for covariance in this particular example, we come back with negative 23.58. And correlation coefficient, a little bit stronger of a statistic in that it measures both the direction of the relationship along with the strength of the linear relationship. So for correlation coefficient, we can use the Correl function, and same thing, we're going to choose the x variables for array 1 and the y variables for array 2, and that gives us our correlation coefficient. So negative 0.58. So a couple of easy functions to use in Excel. And for part C, which answer is most correct? So both are negative, meaning that there is a negative relationship between the variables. And as far as strength goes, of course, correlation coefficient is the most important. But they both are reflecting a negative linear relationship between the x and y variables.